This intro to Wing Chun is going to cover the center point, the center line, and the basic guard. First, I'll start with the center point. So to find your center point, you'll want to take where your vertical midline, which is the line that runs up and down the middle of your body, dissected with your horizontal midline, the line that goes across the middle of your body here, and where those 2 points meet in the middle is where your center point is located. So if I take the sticks away, I know my center point is right here. Next, the center line. The center line starts at your center point and goes out to the nearest available target. So if I take my stick and hold it on my center point, this line here represents the center line. And this allows for a full 360 degrees of targets, available targets. To demonstrate with a punch can go straight out or it can go to the side. And this will be my center line going out to the side here. To the back, simply turn around, punch to the rear, punch to the front. That is the center line. And last, I'll go over the basic guard. For the basic Wing Chun guard, you have your man-sau, which is a seeking hand. You want a 135 degree angle here in the elbow, not locked out, bent at 135, and then wu-sau in the rear. Wu-sau is your protective hand. So the wu-sau is about a palm's distance, your palm, off your chest. Okay? Fingers pointed straight up. The bottom of your palm should be resting on top of your center line. This is the Wing Chun basic guard, man-sau, wu-sau. Now, if you have any questions about the center point, center line, or basic guard, or any other Wing Chun techniques, feel free to ask in the comments below. If you'd like to download a list of Wing Chun terms to help you study at home, I'll leave a link in the description below where you can go and get that. And if you're ready for another Wing Chun lesson, check out the Wing Chun footwork video here. I'll see you there.